So the Bank of Japan this morning, keep rates on hold at negative 0.1%, introducing unlimited government bond purchases and accelerating the purchase of both corporate bonds as well as commercial paper. That's just one central bank out of the way. We got two more for the rest of the week. So on Tuesday, we get CB's consumer confidence out of the U.S., followed by API's oil inventory estimate our time, which is, as of late has been a lot less than that of EIA's on Wednesday. You take a look at the figures as of late, and last week we got 15 million surplus. Expectations for this week and next week to continue to see big surpluses. That's going to be preceded by preliminary GDP out of the U.S. And following all this, towards evening, we get our second main central bank announcement, and that's from the U.S. Federal Reserve. Now, rates are already low. They got a string of monetary stimulus programs already underway, so it's really more a question of continuity as well as the details behind some of those programs. On the fiscal policy front, by the way, in the U.S., talk now surfacing of another stimulus package, this time aimed towards state and local aid. Now, on Thursday, early on in the Asian session, we get manufacturing service PMIs out of China from CFLP, or China Federation of Logistics and Purchases. But towards the European session, we get our third main central bank decision for the week, and that's the European Central Bank. Last week, they agreed to accept junk bonds as collateral. That's going to be preceded by preliminary GDP, preliminary CPI, as well as unemployment data out of the block. But when it comes to Thursdays in general, really attention when it comes to the U.S. session is on unemployment claims. And you look at the past 5 readings, and you can see why, totaling over 26 million. Now, expectations are for the number to drop this week, especially if states continue to ease lockdown restrictions. But the fact of the matter is, it's still set for a multi-million figure. And on Friday, we get a string of manufacturing PMIs of Australia, Japan, Canada, UK, and when it comes to the US, 2 estimates. Market as well as the closely watched ISM. Expectations are for big contractions when it comes to manufacturing, though not as heavy as what we've been seeing in the services sector, which has been more badly hit during the coronavirus storm. There's also going to be the usual Baker Hughes US oil rig count, which as of late, last week, no surprise, showed another significant decline in the number of active rigs. Now, throughout the week, we're going to get a string of earnings announcements, but it's going to include European banks, tech giants, as well as oil majors. We got BP tomorrow, Shell on Thursday, and both Chevron and ExxonMobil